enzymes contain saliva and it converts starch into maltose. हमारे फूड में स्टार्च प्रेजेंट होता है, तो उस स्टार्च को माल्टोज में कन्वर्ट करने का काम कौन करता है? ये दो एंजाइम्स हैं, टाइलिन एंड एमाइलेज. These two enzymes are present in our saliva, which are responsible for converting starch into maltose. स्टार्च क्या है? फूड का कंपोनेंट होता है, लाइक पोटैटो, चपाती, राइस, इन सब में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? स्टार्च. तो स्टार्च किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? माल्टोज में. क्लियर? अब कन्वर्जन के बाद जो आगे की प्रोसेस है, दैट विल टेक्स प्लेस इन आवर स्टमक. सो फ्रॉम आवर माउथ द फूड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू bolus like structure. Okay, this bolus like structure moves to our stomach. So here you can see esophagus is present. This is also known as food pipe. This esophagus is also known as food pipe. So what is the role of this pipe? It connects our mouth to our stomach. Clear? Now here the food starts to digest and HCl, it is the acid which is also known as gastric juice. Some gastric juice are present in our stomach which are responsible for the further digestion of food. In stomach, HCl gets mixed with the food and it helps to kill the bacteria. HCl का रोल क्या है? बैक्टीरिया जो भी फूड में प्रेजेंट है उसको किल कर देगा. And here proteins gets converted into peptones. Okay, so pepsin enzyme, this is the enzyme which is responsible for converting protein into peptones. So can you name some protein containing food जिनमें protein present है? Can you name? Yes, very good. Pulses. So pulses में protein होता है. Protein is not easily digestible in our body. That's why pepsin enzyme is responsible for converting it into peptones. प्रोटीन पेप्टोन्स में ब्रेक डाउन होगा. नाउ इट विल बी इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल. ये इजीली डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा बॉडी में. देन फ्रॉम हियर द फूड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइन. अभी हमने देखा था फूड बोलस में कन्वर्ट हुआ था, देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू काइन. काइन इज जस्ट अ लिक्विड लाइक मटेरियल. फूड बिल्कुल लिक्विड फॉर्म में हो जाता है. देन इट मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द duodenum. Here is the duodenum. Clear? This part is the duodenum. And from the liver, here you can see the liver. You must know about the liver that it is the largest gland present in our body. Which is the largest gland present in our body? Liver. Liver contains bile juice. Okay, it secretes bile juice. Bile juice secrete करने का काम कौन करता है? Liver. And it is stored here. Bile duct में, bile duct यहाँ पे है, तो gall bladder में ये स्टोर हो जाता है and through it moves towards the duodenum. तो food duodenum में आ गया. From the liver bile juice आ रहा है and this one is pancreas. So through pancreas pancreatic juice, यहाँ पे pancreatic juice present होता है which get okay. So all the components gets mixed. Bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Now this food through the duodenum. Duodenum is also the junction. It is also known as the junction between the small intestine, pancreas and liver. From here the food moves towards this coiled structure. This coiled structure is a small intestine. So a small intestine contains the finger-like projection. These finger-like projections are known as villi. This type of structure is present in our small intestine. Clear? So what is the role of these villi? Villi में arteries होती हैं. Arteries क्या करेंगी? The food which is digested, जो food digest हुआ उसमें से अब absorption start होगा. Clear? So here from the finger-like projection which known as villi, the food is absorbed. The material which is present in the food gets absorbed. So this is the largest part of our digestive system. Which one? Small intestine. This coiled structure is small intestine. It begins from here, duodenum. Now from here the food moves towards the large intestine, and in large intestine only the absorption of water takes place. So here one question can be asked that which food is digested in large intestine, or what happens in large intestine? Only the absorption of water from the food takes place in large intestine. Clear? large intestine में क्या होता है? सिर्फ water का absorption होता है. Then from the large intestine the waste material is ejected out through anus. Clear? So here we have learned that there are 5 steps in digestive system. Means first one is the ingestion, in which we take in food. Then the digestion, which takes place in this part where the food is broken down into small parts. Then third one is absorption. The nutrients which is present in food is absorbed in our body. Fourth process is known as assimilation. The absorbed nutrients are used by the cells in our body. Last one is egestion, in which the waste material is ejected out from our body. Okay, so this is a complete process. Thank you.